My wife is very interested. If you about him Kukoma, ya Kukwe.
We come with 2 times.
About him Kukoma, ya
Good morning, Mr. Beautiful.
I don't know about him Kukoma.
Are so beautiful?
One run. Oh, about him Kukoma, ya Kukwe.
What am I doing?
I don't know. Majwa.
Yes, darling, beautiful.
Oh, I'm not a dog. I'm a human being stranger. Why? I come to see for my wife.
Catch a rejectum. It disturb him. It disorganize the margin. Me prepare my darling a breakfast. It should show one. Me can't show there. Men see if you have you. Me wonder what there. Men see if you have you.
Bonnie Ben, my Bonnie Ben. Oh, Mr. Beautiful.
Me Ben, I could say you best your bana.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Ah, Eba, men can't show Jeff your haba. But it's not how my gender. Men pure how men party.
You can see children.
You may see a funyana.
Beautiful.
Go round looking for one. I leave my daughter alone.
Well, no, I'm going na Koyono Besifia. Oh, Papa, no son China, my dear now.
Catching. I'm the why you want such macaca. Why? If you are Saramba, Nahini.
Oh, Mr. Beautiful.
May I will interrogate in the Yemen?
Beautiful. Just go and go on. Just get there and go on.
Interrogate Nama.
If you are Saramba, Nahini.
Oh, don't go there before. No.
Very soon, I will take you there. Because your thermometer is not running as I think it should.
But why?
Kati. When and why you win some with your hair, lefra emi na mayer aso.
Oh, it is a cake and a namope. Said him to buy a bronzer. But Toma, let me at once a bibramo.
Then the fool. Oh, share 1 point, sure. Kati, let me be frank to you. After the independence, 1957, Ghana, in the tabletop TV, Ochum, and Miss Mipe TV, Abba Famaba, Narayan Mape, Mipe TV, I got for tabletop TV, Nada Bremi, TV in Powasa Casre, why me for him?
Oh, Mr. Beautiful. Me quiet and catch a TV one and say, Miss Ranada, oh, Mammy TV. Me per standing top TV. No chim say asa. Akaba ko pe na so ne nan no. Se ne omu ye free container ni na. Bibia boso ma a sugar kakra.
Tada wala.
I'm straight. And I'm saying na hwi ni o no say o table top o. And I'm say top be in top. Table top and standing top. Top. That's why I'm brought that one to
black and white TV. In a baby that dawa, qua.
Debbie, meet me, yes, sir. Me and I'm tired of using a color. In the mud, now sunny in higher white, black and white. In Asiedu.
This is bullshit. Brand the fool. Oh, me petivia, Abba Famaba, no me petivia. TV also would a mad danger with him. Now, Kafata Bremi. If I me deserve TV also with him. And see, a TV Abba, what about Banwe, Ewini?
Catch it. I will actually hampo. I want our cycle in what
out?
TV down.
Out.
TV down. Way. TV down. I didn't miss it. I've been a plastic.
I'm not sure if it's anything. But TV. You can cycle. I don't
know. Oh, why did a bicycle? What is here about? Why did I remember? No one am now a truck. Some people.
I would
Pomade.
I would.
Now I am about no one am truck. Adam.
Ever the food. I want to walk for some years.
I'm crossing. Get a basket. Crying.
Mr. Marco Fair Service. Mamma, wait to buy
finish it.
No more fun, bra. No, shy to Homer. I will be that.
Beautiful. I love my wife. Simple, you may buy wine. You just can't be a drag for them 2x4 the bush about one. Majwa, you are being delayed. Banker, there's no way a banker. Money, so money is disturbing you. Tell me, Amma. Don't do that, oh, Amma. Sakapinte inu kukunka kampo and disturb you. Metumu kwani dem, ikada ni dem, masona. Because na no can win a gugu mon this type wa. How can a banker, my daughter? My in-law. Oh, sorry. Don't mind. Come, sit down, my in-law. Sit down. Oh, sit on my chair. Sit down.
Papa.
My in-law, I'm coming, eh? You are going, eh? Oh. My in-law! Hello! My in-law, calm down. Calm down, my in-law. You see, my daughter, she can sometimes be naughty.
You know what? I love this. I know.
Love is a state of mind. And your mind is on her. So you can't do anything.
You know, when I go to office, I can't focus, I can't concentrate, I can't do anything.
Sorry about please. Oh, mpoti yate. Missy, Sama Shatter, no Kajina Junction your way there. Drive a car, or do one way, Jina. No, Shama. I'm not to create traffic. Or Bill Barbian or Binkwan, or Nana Yapon or Barbian, or do what, then Suijina. I'm one I'm a to me yadi. I'm a no cocona. I told to me, oh, but yeah, didn't to me drive a bar, or be more to me, Jam car, or be put to me, or you confuse the man what Tamaka last year, not in them crew, not the Shama. Amma can do so many wonderful things. Now, them captain, no, this time, Amma. My in-law, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I will talk to her. Can I give you water?
Oh, I'm okay.
You okay?
You know, time is running out.
Yeah. So you are leaving.
I think I will see you later. Okay. But I hope you do everything for me.
Don't worry, my in-law. Don't worry.
I'm counting on your place.
Don't worry. So you are going. You didn't bring anything.
I don't get you, please.
Oh, as you are coming to visit your in-law.
Oh, please. You know, let's make it another time, okay? Don't worry, I'll see you later.
Oh, next time, don't come here with empty-handed. Next time, don't come here with empty-handed.
Don't worry.
Okay?
It will not happen again.
Beautiful.
Don't worry, you can always count on me.
Beautiful. I'll talk to you. I'll talk to you. So, okay, come. I'll talk to you. Don't worry. You know, I'm confused. Mommy, you're confused. So, about Kokoze. So, why didn't you consider the man? Here, show you. Now, what do you can you drive?
Oh, I can drive.
Are you sure? You can drive.
See.
Beautiful.
And I hope you are going to do it.
Oh, I will do it. She's under me. I'm controlling the house. Okay? I'm controlling the house.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's see you.
Bye-bye. Hey, Amma. That's an amazing you to madam. You are disturbing me. How can a banker be disturbing you? Oh my God.
No hurry in life. Sika ni breathe. Do one fun.
All right. Welcome to my home. Have a seat.
very beautiful house. Wow. Apart from schooling, what do you do for a living? Well, I'm into modeling and I like spending my time handsome guys like of course. I love you so much. Very, very, very much.
Araba. Two.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Ama. Oh, tia some more. Sis. No crow for pass. Look at it. Yeah, fast again to channel. Be serious with me. I didn't know. Why don't you accept Fred?
Then why? You did run say day.
Oh, there be ama. Me. When they say me do crafty and crab my yard down for me. And it's a baby papa be or na say e ba wa kwa mu a. Me shall say oboba to agu. Ama why all the stress Fred stress dey we sit here. Ben metuntum. Shall oba kra ni shoe e hye no. Me hwehwe mu kwese say shoe na ya na hye no kwa 1.5. Enti otumu say ben me sika won. Ama baby a hoye na yesa okọ. Ye ka wo di kofi dey no betimi ayama. Ontimi nya ohwe.
Hey, Zen pen forecast enipa ho. Efia. Said the wo pa wo sini kofi te na. What here can kofi ho asa?
Me nka
video hem you so nim sa.
O show dey na ode ma o show. Efi so no kofi tina dada dey. Ye dey na ode ama. Nya wotia na wotia. Wo mpa bo we ye show no a na show. Kwa jawa tobia makwa na kwa tudia tobia mamia nka na kamati ase no support ne kakra. Ne hyewe no a ne hyewe so hye me no a ne hye me. E dey na kofi dia yo. Wa he ne shirt hye no. Shempa bo bia ne hye kofi. Kofi won hye shoe da. Fi so ne tell me say kofi hye shoe da. De bia chele ne hye kofi. No go me hu so wa ne shirt kra awura ne trouser mu da. De bia kofi minim se belt kra obo bia obo belt me bisa.
Wo bisa me.
So na ne hye dem. Me da bia me hu no otutu agusu nti me obo belt ya na me hu. Obo belt. Auntie ka bibia cha wo mfa de kofi ya na ta ye ni anwan we say kofi show 5 Ghana cedi kofi show on
we en pabone ni kofi tisa no bube fu
me kofi tisa no kofi de obetimi de ayeme wontimi nya me hwe ana so ka kofi so neja metimi aka ma na no kwa na me ya ade
51 na Fred betimi ama na Fred betimi ama 50 Ghana na Fred kofi tu susu a bunye 50 Ghana cedi
ama wajimi o entimi tu fu wontie ama beautiful wa hwe beauty na wa hwe banka hu wo so opel wo se mpe carpenter enti wa wo we ni mienu ade na hwe mu yeduma wo de wa hwe wo bakwa ya hwe ka wo de ba wo saka ni nyame ni mo watena bi meda me no de bia no trotro na yefo na nyame aba na so bi enya bi na so de aba na am ye ntinam ama ye kokọ yenim da bi e be ye na twam ye kokọ yenim wa so me ye pre ye ko yenim enu nsuo gu fa ko na we ye chenje nya nsuo a etene kokọ wanim e ja so kokọ wachi no kofu de obete papa papa wasem pa obi mpa wasem a wonka wasem nti se wo chi Fred ni tu ama di Fred ni tu ja kofi life ma carpenter ejai mi tu fu no nti si bata fa Fred bata ejai bata
Henry, where have you been? I've been looking all over the place for you.
I was shopping.
Shopping? But there's nothing to show for it. What shows you are shopping?
That I mean I was shopping for Anne, my girlfriend. We were having fun, we had fun. I mean, we went out and I bought some clothes for her, you know.
Harry. Henry. Henry.
Dad.
How many times did I call you?
Dad, I didn't count.
3 times. I hope you'll not be making the same mistake again.
Dad, you know, I really love this car. Dad, I want to make it happy, Dad.
You don't have to spend so much money on her to make her happy. Boy, you know that.
Dad, what are you going to use all this, your wealth, your money, all these mansions, the factories, everything you have? You have gold, you have...
Now you are not getting me. I'm not talking about the money and I'm not complaining about it. What do you say the name of the lady is again?
Anne.
Anne.
Yeah.
I just hope she loves you. If she does, I'm cool with it.
Yeah, she loves me.
You sure about that?
Yeah, Dad.
Then go for it.
Yeah.
Go for it. I mean, just...
Oh, Dad, listen!
Hey.
I like
Boy.
to take her off.
No, we need not celebrate. If it makes you happy, that's okay. Okay?
I like her.
Henry, you take care of yourself. I'll see you. I'm downstairs.
Okay, Dad, I was watching the program.
All right, you take care.
Okay.
I'll see you soon.
Okay, thank you, Dad.
Hey. Oh, I very do. You know, Mama Tana, visible. This is so now move. Oh. Hey, how about them? Ah, Bana, you put a bed there. To Jimmy, name me, Grassy. To Jimmy. Oh, man, he has no quiet in a bar. In there, you're a bit of condo.
Mawo, no long games in oh, treating me bye. Ah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my in-law. Oh, what a vitamins. So much vitamins. Sure, what bring her drink at it? Oh, where was it? I'm welcome. Oh, my in-law. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
That's a big bread, you.
Oh,
this is just the beginning.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. You have to go out with Anna. So let me call her for you. Amma! Beautiful! My baby girl! Anita, come. Amma, that corner man, it's Madame Wagner night, no, Wuhinum. Your friend. Sit here. She's the apple of my heart. In fact, Montetune from Menzino Hagro, and no anyone. Yes, some people, Mamma Kotokume. As you are going out with her, take very good care of her for me, okay? Ama, any kwabano, refientam, matana hachon, and sana mother. Ati, be a very good care. Very, very good hair.
So, least I forget. This is something small. Something small.
In-law. Yami sure ati. You are just come ati. Waiting man kodo ati.
Asumuza afi ni ashasi we dey begin.
Beginning.
Yeah, this is just the beginning.
Beautiful. Ati.
Today I mess up kwan.
Ama. Cobra. Ama.
Yes, Papa.
You don't come right ati. Mancher, what channel Anamada?
Please take good care of her for me.
He will. He will. I'm Oh, I see your dollar. Bank money in Jamwa. Some of them are. Okay, the poop. Oh, you been the one with him. Okay, the poop.
What do you mean by that?
Me like this? You like this?
No, what's wrong with that?
I wouldn't want you to disgrace me or my family.
Come on. Anne! God, why me? Henry! God,
you correct or no, you correct. Busy for why Dana was I say. Why Dana? Why Dana? Why Dana was I saw Messi Afoy. Why Dana was I say. Messi Afo, why Dana was I say. Messi Afo. Hibby. Go on. Made the banya ready. Or so. Na cho. Majwa!
Yes, Mr. Beautiful.
Hey, I don't want to hear why. She, what can I reach them?
Mogudra, Nana Mugudri.
Ukobo no watching, and a payment.
Nansa, we are from a house. And a done for the chokwa. Me come on, and show me shit the I'm done inside. It's an common zone. Meba, I can't carry my banner. And we'll call the woman.
Oh, my wife is so interesting. I'm going to cook on my. I'm going to cook on my. I'll cook away.
We come with 2 times.
I'm going to cook on my.
Good morning, Mr. Beautiful.
I don't know I'm going to cook on my.
I so beautiful.
One run. Oh. I'm going to cook on my. I'll cook away.
What am I doing?
I don't know Majwa.
Yes, darling, beautiful.
I'm not a dog. I'm a woman being stranger. Why? I come to see for my wife.
Catch a rejectum. Disturb. It disorganize the margin. Me prepare my darling the breakfast. It should show one. Me can't show there. Men see if you have you. Me one there. Men see if you have you.
Bonnie Ben, my Bonnie Ben. Oh, Mr. Beautiful.
Me Ben, I'm going to be a bana.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Ah, me can't show Jeff your haba. I didn't know how my drink them. Men pure how men party. Monsieur Funyana.
Beautiful.
Go round looking for one. I leave my daughter alone.
Well, no, I'm quiet na Koyono Besifia. Oh, Baba, no son China, my dear now.
Cratty, I'm the wife you want such macaca. Why, if you are Salamba, Nahini.
Oh, Mr. Beautiful.
May I will interrogate in the Yema?
Beautiful. Just go and go on. Just get there and go on.
Interrogate Nama.
If you are Salamba, Nahini.
Oh, don't go there before. No.
Very soon, I will take you there. Because your thermometer is not running as I think it should.
But why?
Kati, when why you win some with your lefra emi na mayer aso.
Oh, it is a keke na namope. Said him to buy a bronzer. Betonwa, let me at once a bibramo.
Then the fool. Oh, share 1 point, sure. Kati, let me be frank to you. After the independence, 1957, Ghana, in the tabletop TV, Ochum, and Missy me pet TV, Abba Famaba, Narayan Mape, me pet TV, I come for tabletop TV, Nada Bremi, TV in Powasa Casre, why me for him?
Oh, Mr. Beautiful. Me quiet and I'm catching a TV and say, Miss Ranada, on my TV. Me per standing top TV. No chem say asa akaba ko pe na no so ne nan no se ne omu yi free container ni mu na bibia boso ama a sugar kakra.
So that wala.
I'm straight. And I'm saying na hwe ni o no say table top o. And I'm say top bi insini top. Table top and standing top. Top. That's why I brought that one to
black and white TV. Ena etiba beta dawa kwa
yabi bitimi nyesa me na mtoya na miyisu na etale ne mu aduro na asani tin higher white black and white nyesa bia.
This is bullshit. Brand fool. Oh, me TV aba fa meba na me TV TV also wo da ma genjan with them na aka fa da bremi ihwa me deserve TV also with them enti TV aba what bobo banwe ehuni
Kati, awala achar wa hampo. I wanna was cycle ni nara. What
out?
TV at the down.
Out.
TV at the down. TV at the down. I don't be missing it. I feel I'm a plastic.
I'm not sure it's anything. But TV. You can cycle.
Oh, I need a bicycle. What is here? Why do you remember? No one am now. I can. Sandpaper. Vomit. I would. Now I'm about no one am trocadam.
I will know about for 7 years.
I'm quite a guitar bicycle. Crying. Measure.
Mr. First service. My wait to buy
finish it.
Not more fun, bra. No, shy out of home. I will be that.
Beautiful. Majua. I love my wife. Simple, you may buy wine. You just can't be a draka for them 2x4 the bush about one. Majua, you are being delayed.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Sir,
I'm fine.
is anything the matter? You don't look too well. Yes, sir.
Is anything wrong with me? Check everyone look at me.
No, there's nothing wrong with you. Sir, why all these questions? Why?
I'm not a human being just like you and any other person.
So you are. You're a nice looking man.
Why is everybody refusing to marry me?
Why? Did Anne say no to your proposal?
And insulted me.
So why then?
For me. And insulted me. Henry. Look at what I've done for Anne.
Well, sir, I don't know, but if you don't mind, I think you might be rushing things on these ladies. You know, maybe they want to have enough time. With time, I think they can get you and move along with you.
Alright then. I just hope nobody breaks my heart again. Because if they do, I'm gonna commit suicide.
Oh no, sir, no. It has not gotten to this.
No, Anne!
No.
Look at what Anne has done to me.
I know, sir. I understand.
And Dan. Isn't this painful?
It's very painful, I understand. But sir, you know, there is more to life than you can think. Please, give it a thought. Give it a thought, I beg you. Give it a thought.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Have a seat.
Alright, thank you very much, sir.
I'm getting dressed. I'll be back.
Yes, sir.
Sika ni bring edo wafao wadi sika jisa jadi wako faba Sika ni bring edo wafa menka mountain Sika ni bring edo wafao wadi sika jisa jadi wako faba Sika ni bring edo wafa menka mountain na Sika ni bree edo afame nka mountain Onya misra na ya di for braduma ya fabi nka ho timini ato buase Abrabo enya kansie na ya radio bedikan inti ya abotra nkoa Bible say boni nyina yini eni Sika hwede wa kofaba we dia da kwa wadie no uja to adresia Sika ni brenti hwede wa kofaba Onya misra